Hello, this is Megha Pandre, and today we will start with the second part of this chapter, the chapter called A Short Monsoon Diary. Now we are on page number 115, and the date is 2nd of August. And here we will cover what happened on 2nd of August. All night the rain had been drumming. Underline the word drumming. Drumming means falling noisily on the corrugated tin roof. There has been no storms, no thunder, just the steady swish of a tropical downpour. Underline the word tropical. Tropical means the climate that is frost free. And underline the word downpour. Downpour means a heavy rainfall. It helps me it helps me to lie awake. At the same time, it doesn't keep me from sleeping. It is a good sound to read by. The rain outside, the quiet within. And although tin roofs are given to springing uncountable leaks, there is a feeling of being untouched by and yet in touch with the rain. So here we will continue with the explanation part of this paragraph. The author wrote on 2nd of August how the rain had been falling noisily on the corrugated roof. There was no storm. So during that night there was no storm, no thunder, just the smooth rain, falling of the tropical raindrops, only the heavy rainfall. It made it easier for the author to lie awake, and still he was awake the whole night. However, at the same time, it doesn't prevent him from falling asleep, and he couldn't sleep. He explains how the sound of rain creates a nice atmosphere for reading with the rain outside and silence within. He mentions the usual leaks from the tin roof and how they make you feel. They give you the feeling of having touched by the rain and yet remain untouched by the rain. We will continue with the 3rd of August. The rain stops, the clouds begin to break up. The sun strikes the hill on my left. A woman is chopping up sticks. Chopping means to cut something into small pieces. A woman is chopping up sticks. I hear the tinkle of cowbell. In the oak tree, a crow shakes the raindrops from his feathers and crows disconsolately. Disconsolately means unhappily. Water drips from a leaking drain pipe. Drain pipe means a pipe for carrying of rainwater. And suddenly, clean and pure, the song of the whistling thrush emerges like a dark, sweet secret from the depths of the ravine. Okay, here we will continue with the explanation. Now, as the rain stops on the 3rd day of August, the cloud began to separate away. A woman could be seen chopping sticks into small pieces, and the tinkle of a cowbell could be heard. A crow sitting on the oak tree shook itself to get away with the raindrops on its feathers, and he cawed unhappily. And water dripping from the leaking drain pipe that carried off rainwater from the building. As everything settled, the pure song of the whistling thrush could be heard like a dark, sweet secret from the depth of the valley. We will continue with August, 12th of August. Endless rain and a permanent mist. Mist you can also either also call fog or smog. We haven't seen the sun for 8 to 9 days. Everything damp. Damp means moist. And soggy. Soggy means wet and soft. Here you can make out because of lot of rain how the soil turns. It turns soft and wet. Nowhere to go. Pace the room, look out of the window, and a few bobbing umbrellas. Bobbing umbrellas means make a sudden move so as to appear or disappear. At least it isn't cold rain. So here the explanation part. By August 12, the hill had been experiencing continuous rain and permanent mist. The mist was there permanently. They had not seen the light of the sun for about a good stretch of from 8 to 9 days, they didn't see any of the sunlight. Everything in the surrounding was slightly wet and moist. One could not go anywhere. The only option was to move to or from into the room or look out of the window at a few umbrellas, moving umbrellas suddenly. The author is pleased that it was not cold rain. The vegetation could be seen growing abundantly on the hillside. The hillside are lush as late monsoon flowers begin to appear. So these are the number of flowers began to appear during monsoon season was wild balsam, dahlias, begonias and ground orchids. So these are the flowers which appeared during the rainy season in Missouri. So here I end up with this part, second part of this chapter. We will meet in the last part. Until then, thank you.